Welcome. This is Cantona Motors, where we offer quality for less. Today we are going to review one of the best ever SUV to be made. I'm talking about the Prado. This Prado is a 2018 model, petrol engine, 2700cc. Toyota, their brand, is selling for SUVs because of this car. Toyota Prado has been in the car industry for quite some very good time, and Toyota have been improving this unit, and they have really done quite a good job. This is a common unit in the market. You find it everywhere. It's a 2700cc, as I've said. It's a petrol engine. It's a VVTi engine. Consumption is quite well. It's giving you around 11.5 kilometer per liter. This car is quite spacious. It's built for space, especially for family. Quite big. With the new shape, they have done quite a good job. You can see the infotainment is quite placed well with a big screen. This car is a four-wheel option. You know, this car is their selling point is reliability, durability, and they're able to serve you in all terrain. That's why it's a four-wheel option. Kumaanisha hii hata mashinani wapi ukienda. That's why you see even businessmen, politicians, that's why they say the car you see in front is Toyota. So this guy is a push to start. You can see the controls, the AC. They have done quite a good job. It's an economical engine. It has seat warmers for both the driver and the passenger. It's a 6-speed, quite nice unit. So this car, the Prado, they come in different variants, especially for the petrol engine. You have the 2700cc and you have the 4-liter. And also in the diesel you have the 3-liter and you have the 2700cc. This car is reliable. Their variants, they come, there is a GX, there is a GXL, there is a VXL, TZG. There are many variants. That shows you that this car is quite a good unit. This car comes with a teardrop, the xenon lights. There's we call them, they are usually called in the market the teardrops. The shape, they have done quite a good job with a new shape. It's sleeky and commanding. It commands authority. Ndio unaona hata waheshimiwa wakikuja wanakujanga wamekimbia nazo mbio mbio. So this car comes with it has the hill start assist. Maanisha ukienda juu kwa milima na nini umekwama inaku nini. So this car also, the reason why they say it's quite reliable is because of the spare parts. The spare parts are readily available. Though, a caution, though the availability of spare parts shows you that kuna counterfeit. So mingi zinakuanga fake. And then hii gari ukipark mahali, the side mirrors, they are hot cake because it's a common car in the market. The lights unapata umetolewa zimehangiwa, lakini there are security measures when you're buying a car you're supposed to put, like the alarm, tracking, hizo vitu zote unaangalia. And then this car, it comes with a parking sensor. Kirudi nyuma inakuambia beep 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 beep. And then this car is competing in the market with the likes of Suzuki, the Pajero. The other one is there's a Ford. It's called Ford Everest. The other one, it's also Toyota, they usually make two models of the same engine. There's a Fortuner, so they are competing with the Fortuner, but the Fortuner is a bit smaller, so most people prefer Toyota Prado. Now this car is reliable, durable. Its rim size, they come from around 17 and 18, which shows you the ground clearance. It's quite nice. It comes with the anti-collision system, adjustable xenon lights. Comes with a sunroof. You can have a look at the sunroof. Quite nice. Ukiwa mheshimiwa unasimama hapo juu. Comes with reverse camera. The controls in the steering have been done quite well. It's a nice car. Boot space ni kubwa vizuri, especially the leg room ya viti za nyuma, quite spacious. You never go wrong with this car. This unit is ranging from around 7.2 to around 7.6. Hii gari comes with even the interior. There are different variants. They are the ones that come with cloth interior, and they are the ones that comes with leather. Like this one is the leather interior, quite nice. They have changed some things on the odometer. It's digital. We say digital clocking. Sound system yake, as I've told you, it's quite nice. It has a cool box. You see, this one has a cool box hapa ndani. Unaweka vitu zako, soda nini, wakati umechomoka uko sawa. Its tailgate, you can see it looks nice. Milango inafunguka vizuri. Hii ile ya kubana. So for this and more, unajua pa kutupata at Cantona Motors, where we offer quality for less. To enjoy hii gari kidogo. Sikia mgurumo na nini.